ready to join up now?
I've got your membership stub right here!
Hang on while I clean this porridge off.
See you at the next meeting! Same time next week!
Let's have a look in here. My God, he's gone commercial. I do not believe it. Hiya, remember me?
Remember you? Of course I remember you. Uncle McSwampy never forgets his customers.
No. I mean from the last game. I came round your house and you made me eat that revolting stew of yours.
Sorry?
You know, at your birthday party. I was the only one there.
Oh, that's better. I can see you properly now. Your face doesn't ring a bell. You're not one of Steve's mates, are you?
Never mind. I got you confused with somebody else.
Huh? Okay. Would you like a balloon, Sonny?
No, but I'm sure my little brother would love one.
You'd better take one for him, then. Have a voucher while you're at it. And remember, kiddo, have a McSwampingly